Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Pusheen mermaid. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the hair. Let's start with the curve down like this. Then from the top, let's curve it down to the right. And then a curve from the bottom. Now let's hop over on the left side and let's add another curve from the top and bottom. And then from the bottom line, let's draw a curve down for the side of the body. Next, inside the top here, let's add the ears. On the top left, let's draw a curve up and then a line across the bottom. And let's do the same thing in the right side. Now let's hop down and start drawing the face. Underneath in the center, let's draw a curve down, over, and back up. And the same thing on the right and on the left. Then hop down again and let's draw two curves for the mouth. Now on either side of the mouth, let's draw a circle for the eyes. And let's keep these on an angle. And then color both of the eyes in black. Now let's move underneath the face and let's draw the hands. Let's draw a curve up and then bring it back in. And the same thing on the right. Now let's move to the sides and add the whiskers. Let's draw two curves on the right. And then only one on the left side. And that's it for the face. Now let's finish drawing the hair. Let's start by adding a seashell on the top left. Let's add a curve up. And then one on the right. And one on the left, coming to a curve at the bottom. And then inside, let's add two lines in the middle. And now underneath the shell, let's add a wavy line all the way down and in for the hair. Now let's hop over and draw the right side. On the top right here, we'll start by drawing a large curved star. And then from the inside hairline, let's draw a wavy line down and out like this. And let's do the same thing underneath the star and close it off at the end. And lastly for the hair, underneath the star, let's draw 3 small circles. Now let's move down and finish drawing the body. For the left body line we drew earlier, let's continue it by curving it over to the right and back up. And then for the end, let's curve it back up to the hair. Now inside across the middle, let's draw a curve across. And now underneath this line, let's draw bumps all the way across. Then let's leave a gap and let's draw another 3 bumps. And then 2 more underneath. Now let's hop to the end and add the tail. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve up and back around. And then the same thing underneath to the right. And lastly, this part is optional, but I'm going to add a heart on the top right. And that's it for this cute Pusheen mermaid. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!